Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making the perfect appetizer, a smoked duck breast crostini. We're gonna set the pellet grill to 225 degrees and we're using oak pellets. For the duck breast crostini, we're using a beautiful Moulard Duck Breast. The first thing that we need to do is score it in a tight pattern. Just make sure that you don't cut through to the meat. Then we want to season both sides with plenty of salt and pepper. Then it's time to place the duck breast in the smoker. I prefer to put it in an aluminum pan since we're going to use the duck fat that we collect afterwards. While we're smoking the duck breast, it's time to start making the horseradish sauce. You want to put a cup of creme fraiche into a bowl, and then you want to grate fresh horseradish. We're going to use about an inch of fresh horseradish. You want to make sure that you taste it as you add, because it could easily be overpowering. You also want to add about half a tablespoon of fresh minced garlic to balance the cream. And last but not least, you want to season it with sea salt. The duck breast now has an inner temperature of 120 degrees, and it's time to remove it from the grill. You want to heat up a saute pan over high heat, and then we're going to add the duck fat that we've collected in the aluminum pan. Now we want to sear the duck breast fat side down to render out and crisp up the fat a little bit. Then it's time to remove the duck breast. Next we're going to add a couple of slices of French baguette to the saute pan and quickly saute them on both sides. Then it's time to thinly slice the duck breast against the grain. And then it's time to start plating the crostinis. You want to smear each crostini with a little bit of old-fashioned mustard, and then you want to place a slice of duck breast on top of that. Next, we're going to scoop a little bit of horseradish sauce on each crostini, and then we're going to top it with some finely minced sweet peppers. I use sweet peppers in different colors because it just looks good. Last but not least, we're going to add a couple of broccoli sprouts as well, and then they're ready to serve. And that is how I make my smoked duck breast crostinis, and I think the only thing left is to try these and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Yeah. Oh man, that is so good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.